In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Mobirise. First, open your browser and head to the Mobirise online login page. This is the web-based version of Mobirise, and it's the quickest way to jump into your project without installing anything locally. Make sure you're using a modern browser so the editor loads cleanly. If you already have Mobirise open in another tab, that's fine. Just make sure you're signed in so your changes save to your project. On the login screen, choose Sign In with Google. This option is simple and secure, and it links your session to your existing Google account. When you click it, your browser may prompt you to confirm that you want to continue. Go ahead and allow it so Mobirise can authenticate you properly. Next, select your Google account from the list. If you have multiple accounts in your browser, pick the one you use for Mobirise projects. If you're prompted to grant access, accept the standard permissions so you can proceed to the editor. After a moment, you'll be returned to Mobirise and your dashboard or project will load. Now navigate to the specific text block where you want to add bullet points. Mobirise uses content blocks, so scroll to the section you want and click directly into the text area to activate the inline editor. You should see a cursor blinking. If you don't, click once more to ensure the text area is active. You can create a new line for your first bullet or place the cursor in front of an existing line you want to convert. To insert a bullet, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+7. As soon as you press that combination, a bullet point will appear and you can begin typing your first item. Press Enter to create the next bullet on a new line. If you ever want to turn existing lines into bullets, highlight the lines first and then press the same shortcut. To stop the list, press Enter on an empty bullet and then press Backspace to return to normal text. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work at first, make sure the text block is selected and try again. That's all you need to start using bullet points in Mobirise. A clear list makes content easier to scan, improves readability, and helps your visitors focus on the key details. Save your work as you go, and you'll be set. Thanks for watching and happy building.